Good morning. Merry Christmas. It's Sunday, December the 25th, 2016, about 7 o'clock. We just put all the rolls out to rise. It was about 12:15 a.m. when I got to bed last night, when I got everything done. Merry Christmas. We're on our way to Sunday school and the Christmas sermon. Should be a nice day. It's already warm.
Nice Christmas day.
Yeah, nice Christmas day.
Holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of the dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining, till He appeared and the soul felt its worth. A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees, oh hear the angel voices, a night divine, oh night when Christ was born, oh night divine, oh night divine. Led by the light of faith serenely beaming, with glowing hearts by His cradle we stand. So led by light of a star sweetly gleaming, here came the wise men from Orient land. The King of Kings laid us in lowly manger, in all our trials born to be our friend. He knows our need, to our weaknesses no stranger. Behold your King before in lowly land. Behold your King before Him lowly land. Truly He taught us to love one another. His law is love, and His gospel is peace. Chains shall He break, for the slave is a brother, and in His name all oppression shall cease. Sweet
let us out about a half hour early today, so that was a Christmas present.
Yeah.
And we had all that special music that was good. That was another good present.
Nobody's there.
We're home. Nobody's here yet. That'll give us a chance to get started on what we gotta do. Larry's got the meat all off the turkey. There it is. Here's your rolls. First 2 pans. We've got these rolls left to bake. Got the gravy on the heat. It's just Heinz. But it's better than what I could make. Got lima beans in cooking. Taters are boiling for the mashed potatoes. When we ate lunch, I forgot to film all the food that we had because people brought in a lot of things besides what I made. So in addition to what I showed you already, we had ham, barbecue, a pineapple cheese casserole, a corn casserole, macaroni and cheese, creamed potatoes, an apple nut salad, potato chips, deviled eggs, and dill pickles. Okay. Everybody's here. This is one of the dessert tables. I think that's fruit salad in there. There's banana pudding, coconut cream pie, fudge, pinwheels.
Oh, wow. Got training wheels?
Banana nut bread, cheese ball, pie, brownies, fudge and buckeyes, brownies, cherry cheesecake, watergate salad, cheese plate with Triscuits. There's presents under the tree all the way around. Wow.
You ready?
Lots of presents. Yeah, I think Michael's walking away from the ham, so I guess we can eat it. All the gifts. Wow. And people are here. Okay. Time to eat. Okay.
I had to get up.
Who's going to say the blessing? Baby's reading.
Does Jerry want?
Girls are going to open their presents.
Rip it. Rip it. Real hard. That's it. Keep going.
You got a toy?
Rip it. Rip it.
She's saving money for a Barbie pop-out camper. A pooter? Awesome.
That whole lot of Barbies, huh?
Is that a pooter? Awesome.
Check out groceries at the market.
Oh, so it's like a pop, right?
Isn't that what it is?
It's a craft thing, baby.
And it wiggles. You can't sit on them.
Alright, open your next one and Mommy will open your pewter for you.
Oh, those few things are fun.
That's also for Emma.
Rip it. Rip it. Rip it.
What is that?
It's a rock science. Rocket science.
Really, Kat? I got you in the background.
I'm trying to read that thing.
That's a science kit thing you've been working.
Well, it's a rock. You put baking soda in it, it shoots up in the air. Rocket.
You put baking soda and it shoots up in the air.
Rip it. Rip it. There's something else in the box.
You got a box?
I think you'll like those, Haley. Those are fairies.
What are those, Haley? Awesome.
Ah.
Wings.
Can you open the box? You need help.
Here.
I can't.
can't.
I can find out how to open it. Open this.
Look, what's in here?
Beanbag tail.
Huh?
Beanbag tail.
No, this is one now.
One.
What is that?
Oh, there's money stuff in her little.
Uh-oh.
That's a
Yeah.
warm area right now.
Let Grandpa hold that.
Look, what's that?
Money.
I'll hold it.
Hold it for me.
Can Grandpa hold it?
No, what's this?
Just one? Can I have one?
No. I'm done.
Poor Grandpa's broke. What'd you get? You're coming. You're not through eating, are you? You don't have any dessert yet, do you? Yep. They're going somewhere else.
Yeah, the girls have to leave, so we're gonna eat some more and then come back and open more presents.
Go ahead and finish it.
I'm gonna meet them by the airport, or NOBD, right? Gather your stuff. It's all right, because you're making all that. Yeah, I think I'd rather be in You need some help?
Right here.
Yep, that's yours.
You need some help.
Here.
Oh,
Oh,
boy.
a neck pillow like Sissy.
Oh, that's,
Remember Sissy had a neck pillow?
That's what I need.
I don't think you want to hold your coffee.
Why? They have to be nice.
There you go.
yeah.
Now you can sleep like that.
What's in here? Ooh. Look, take them in the bathtub. Yeah, you can put those in the bathtub. You can write on my wall in my bathtub. Thanks to who did that? Oh, Arabella and Jerry. Y'all are so sweet.
If you don't let it sit, for a couple days.
Do y'all provide maid service?
Sure, Arabella,
I don't know.
happy to clean your bathroom for you.
All
They're really good
All right, go
cleaners,
tell
too.
everybody thank you and bye.
Okay.
He's sleeping now. Murphy.
Yeah.
Hey, Murphy. Hi. Hello. He might not know this one's on because it's different. He might not be scared of it.
Oh no,
Oh, he knows.
I'm gonna have to go home and take my baby.
Put one foot in front.
Murphy, can I go home? You wanna go home?
It's 5:40 and the last of our family's leaving. They all been kind of, different ones had to leave at different times for different reasons. That's Reba and Michael. There they go. Bye. Merry Christmas. Okay.
All right.
Happy birthday, Jesus. It's recording, I think, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, primp up.
Okay. You got it?
Yeah. I'm smiling. I'm trying to.
Okay. Well, it's not going to be a picture, it's going to be a video.
Okay.
If you come down, I think it looks better if you're up.
Yeah.
Okay. We get that, both of us? My arm's not long enough. You ready?
Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
From our house to yours. Hope you had a beautiful, wonderful Christmas.